Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, pick up food and hide it. Don't delay. Close lids and use pet-safe covers because cats exploit unattended snacks. Once done, set a dedicated feeding station with fixed times so your cat learns predictability. Use a small motion alarm or gentle deterrent for counter zones. These teach boundaries without harm. Make sure to reinforce the first correct behavior with a treat at the feeding station. Positive reinforcement speeds learning and reduces. Once you have a routine, train it. Give meals at set times, not free feeding, because hunger-driven stealing drops when meals are predictable. Use a short cue like off paired with clicker or click sound, then reward when the cat leaves the counter. Repeat until reliable. Make physical management easier. Install latches, close doors, or use baby gates to deny access during high-risk times. Make sure to practice both training and management daily. Consistency makes the new behavior stick. Finish by reinforcing the habit. Reward calm behavior near food areas and ignore theft attempts motivated by attention-seeking. This removes the payoff. If your cat remains persistent, increase enrichment. Puzzle feeders and 2 daily play sessions of 15-20 minutes reduce boredom and food obsession. Make sure to monitor for medical causes. If stealing is sudden or extreme, consult your veterinarian because underlying health issues can drive food stealing. Troubleshoot by revisiting access control and feeding schedule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.